You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So my dear friends, in the last video we did some wiring work, connecting the components, putting the node and checking out the connections whether made properly or not. So in this video again we will open the same site and we will come to the where we left in our last video. So you see here there is no values and how to move the components, how to make text, and all these connections we did it before: capacitor, diode, resistance, as per our circuit diagram of the full wave rectifier. So I will prefer to choose 12 volt system. So what we will do, our voltage regulator, I will give it the value of 7012. So first we will go to the grid. You know, the grid is the most important part. If you want to put some node without grid, it cannot be placed. You see, because there is no grid, it is asking for net. Net means grid. So first we will select the grid, and remember this value always, mm.635, so that whenever you will make the printout of this sketch, board or anything, it will come of the same size. When you make a print, export it, save it, and then copy paste in Word file, the same size will come, whatever size we are doing. So now you see we have chosen the grid, the node can be placed. So let us place all the remaining nodes fast. It helps to confirm the connection. It makes firm connection, you can say. So now all nodes are complete near about. If anyone will left, you will see afterwards, no problem. So now today we will use value, name and smash. With these three symbols, we will see how we can work, how we can increase the value, how we can give the other name, how we can change the name, how we can change the values, how we can. So value we will see from here, but I have used little different. The capacitor, this diode is 4007, but 4004 is also same, and that is fixed value, so no need to change that. And then capacitor I have used 1000 microfarad. In drawing it is 470. So because at 12 volt 1 ampere the system becomes little strong. This is 1 ampere circuit, 12 volt, This value also we can change, but we will keep it the same. Now these value we have to put in our schematic drawing as shown in our circuit. The proper name, values. So we will proceed for that today. With the help of smash, value and name symbol. This value symbol, this is name, downward is smash. So with the help of these three symbols, we will start changing the values. And one thing you might have noted, in every component shown the symbol in this diagram, in between you will find a positive mark. If you enlarge it, there is a positive mark inside it. Every symbol has got it. So, and it has got very much importance to change the values. Here also, everywhere you will find some sort of invisible positive mark inside these symbols of the components. Suppose we want to change the value. Come to the capacitor, smash it. You see the new value of the capacitor we can write here, 1000 microfarad. You see, we clicked on that plus point. Here also we click. It is asking the value of this capacitor, 0.01 microfarad. Okay. So in the similar way, just watch, make practice. Keep this video in half screen of your computer, half screen you work. Wherever you forget, just go to my video. Check where my cursor is moving, what my cursor is doing. When you click on the plus point inside the symbol, it got highlighted. Now value of the resistance, it is 470, 4.7K. My dear friends, I don't make the videos so fast, so in a hurry. Maybe you feel start boring, but my way is little easy, not to run fast. Make the things very clear again and again, so that it should go in your brain. Now we will change here. See, here is the plus point, we will see. And these values, now we have changed. We will see this regulator's value also. Now name we can put, name we can change. See, JP1, we will go to the plus point. First we select the name symbol at the left side. Now here it is written JP1, you can change it to as per you. Output power supply, input power supply, 12 volt AC. From here it will go to AC. After diodes we will get DC 12 volt. So it is changed. Supply input 12 volt AC. So whatever you want to write, so that when your PCB will come, everything will be clear. Here also, just you know the importance of this plus point inside the symbol. Give it the input supply, output supply 12 volt DC. So we will get the DC 12 volt from here. this will remain same. Let it be like that, and let us check. This is okay. Value. Now we have selected the name. Let us click here, and you will see we will change the value of this diode. We have choose the smash. So when we will click in the center of the symbol, that positive mark, the positive mark will come in front of D2, IN 004 individually. You see, there is positive mark has come when we click the center after selecting the smash symbol from the left side. Now you can move this anywhere, rotate it by clicking right click, put it anywhere. So like that you can play. So this is how to move. You see the positive mark has come, and you can change the name now of D2. As there is positive mark, I have written diode. Instead of D2, I write down diode. So by that way, this is smash, value and name. Using these three symbols, you can do anything. You know, first smash, then this positive marks will come to the name and the value in front, and then go to the move symbol, select and do anything. Now here, come to the center, smash, now move button, you see, just click on the positive in front of it. These positive marks we obtained by selecting smash and come in the center and click it on the positive mark. Then after collecting move button, you can do anything. Now there is another way also. These positive mark, instead of selecting one by one, we can bring on all the components all together. So let us go back first. I will revert everything and we will start again, and we will select in a group everything. So this was our position before when we started value, name and smash. Now we will do it as a group, as a whole group all together to select these positive marks in front of name and values. So how we will do, you will see. There is no mark now, I have come back. Now the marks will come in front of every name, value, so that you can change them accordingly. Just move button, click. So now you see what I will do. I will select group symbol. You see my cursor. Select it and select all the circuit. And now what need to do? Just go to smash. You have selected all the circuit. Go to smash and click it anywhere inside the circuit. anywhere, just click it. Just click anywhere and then right click. Okay, once left click, again right click, smash group, select all the group from here. Yeah, now you will see every name value has got positive sign in starting at the bottom. You see, here it is. So I have selected the move button from left side. Now you can do anything with it, rotate it, place it anywhere. So this is the group selection for these positive marks in front of every text, you can say, and then move and do anything. Now from this button we can select the size also. Before it is 1.778, let us select 1.47. We will reduce the size. So what you have to do, just click at the positive button, so the size is there, 1.47 something. You see, it has reduced the size. So the pana you are looking, it is used to change the value, text size, and so many things. You? So how to reduce the size of the text, how to move, how to rotate. Make the practice. They say practice makes a man perfect. Now I am again reverting everything to its original position. So there is other way also to put the value. So there are so many ways. So whatever you like, you see, click on any symbol, right click, and from here you can check the value. No need to go to the left side symbol for value. On the symbol, just right click. This screen will appear. Select the value, write it down here. This is other way also. Now click in the center. It will ask, you can select value and give it a value. So this is other way. So which way you prefer, you like. So this is shortcut. Direct on the symbol come, click right click and the value, the screen will appear. Select the value and put it there. You see. And for the values, always be in touch with the diagram of this full wave rectifier. What values we have to give where. So like that. Now here also there is no value. Click on the center plus mark. Same with LED, value 3 mm. So this is other way. Instead of going to left side for the value and the name, and smash is important everywhere. Now you can write here also. same input supply 12 volt AC. Before we wrote from other way, now we are writing from here, direct clicking on the symbol. I think just you watch, even don't listen to me, just see where my cursor is moving. Baba, I also got tired. Learning and teaching, this is what I am doing only. Just put on the plus, move it anywhere. So like that, I think our wiring diagram, it is complete in all respects. Let us check it. Here also we need to give value. Little bit remaining things we will do. So our schematic is near about complete and ready to bring it to the board file by selecting board from the top. Now I think we can save it. Here the value we have to write down, C3. So I select from there value and click in the center, select the value and write it down. So need to check only. Now it is being saved, and then being ready to move to board file. In the board file there is too much work that you have to take care. Watch that video, next video very carefully. There, see, here we have left the notes. So why we should left it? We put the node here also and here also to make the firm connections. It shows the firm connection. We have made it so. So see it again, and now we will come to the board file. Board we can select. There is one more option of the board at the top, but we need not to use that, but I will show you. From here we will use. So from here we can select the board. We will select from here, but there is one option in file to select the board, but we will not get our schematic if we will select the board file from the files. Right now you see new. If I will select board from here, it will not work out. Okay, now there is nothing. Our circuit has not come. Schematic circuit should come automatically. So never to select from there. Select it from the schematic screen. At the top you will find a symbol. This one, yeah, create from schematic. Yes. So we have to select it from here. All the name will come in the board, and board file also we need to save it. Gentlemen, now we will meet in our next part. Thank you. Bye bye.